Hello everyone, I'm Sun Yu. As an old saying that the deeper the foundation is, the higher buildings can reach. The key point relies on how to make the perfect peeling work exactly like the one we want. There are some defects for the traditional peeling methods, like low efficiency, heavy environment pollution, etc. All these defects will be perfectly solved by our rotary drilling rig. Here is XCMG XR220DⅡ rotary drilling rig. Really a big guy with unique appearance. Come brother, say hi to everybody. As a fairly outstanding member among XCMG XR series machines, it is well accepted by Turkish customers in Europe and has been ranking top 1 sales for 3 continuous years. You must be wondering, how can we make this? XCMG XR220DⅡ rotary drilling rigs is designed and manufactured with a retractable undercarriage, which ensures operation stability and easy transportation. Large diameter slewing platform reduce shaking of Kaylee bar, so as to prevent drilling axle deviation. Rotary head casting driving device and long-stroked winch crowding can be better matched to long casting construction. Long-stroked winch crowding offers longer casting pipes at one time and to reduce casting pipe joints and improve working efficiency. Automatic hoist and pull the casting pipe is achieved because of casting-driven device, without assist of any crawler, crane, or vibration hammer, which simplify working procedures and reduce operation cost. Different Kaylee bars, mainly interlock and frication, are optional available, varying from very soft layers to the most difficult geological layers. Here is the main winch. The patent innovation of single-layer rope prevents the ropes from grinding and prolong the rope's service life. The machine is multiple speeds controlled according to rotary head's different speeds to give high working efficiency and energy saving. Equipped with mature electrical control system, various working data can be monitored. At the same time, malfunction diagnosis makes it more intelligent and convenient. Imported Cummins engines are installed to XR220DⅡ to achieve powerful force, energy saving, and high productivity. Stabilizer of the mast gives stability in the condition of big hoisting force and averages force bearing status of working devices. Machine's performance is our priority. Meanwhile, we also attach great importance to create a safe and comfortable environment for the operator. Ergonomics theory is well applied into the design of the cabin. If you enter this cabin, you will agree with me about this. A very big color display, through which operator can monitor the main winch. Here we have air suspension seat, and here we have centralized lubrication system. XCMG XR220DⅡ rotary drilling rig is multifunctional if we choose casting oscillator, continuous flight auger, and pneumatic DTH hammer for different works. Well, this is end of my introduction of rotary drilling rig. Brother, come and say goodbye to everybody. Wish you a good day.